What's up, guys? So, quick context for anyone new here. I've been knee-deep in crypto mining for a few years running now. Like, at some point, it just stopped being a hobby and turned into, I don't know, just kind of how I spend my days, basically. Constantly pulling apart new platforms, new services, running stuff through its paces, and figuring out, whether any of it actually holds water. And the landscape right now is, it's a mess, honestly. Like a genuine mess. You go searching on Google, and it's just this wall of stuff that's been, specifically designed to look credible and just bleed people dry. Like the volume of it is actually staggering. So I just, want you to go into anything in this space with your eyes open. So I've had this cloud mining app called solidhash on my radar for a few weeks now. Been quietly putting it through some tests, and today I'm just literally going to crack it open on screen and walk you through the whole thing. What cloud mining actually means, what the process looks like in practice. Let's just, get into it. So, very first step, I'm tapping Start Mining Now right here. Good. Okay, so now it's bringing up the coin picker. I'm going with ETH for this run, and just a heads up that this thing actually covers pretty much the full spectrum. BTC, Solana, BNB, Tron, everything you'd realistically want to run. Okay, so hitting continue right here. So now I need to slot in my wallet address. Let me just bounce over to Trust Wallet real quick. Okay, got it copied. And jumping back here, pasting it right into this field. Good, that's in. Okay, so next up, we've got these two parameters here, hash rate power and mining speed mode. So the way I'd break it down, these two basically act as your control knobs for how much computing muscle gets allocated to your session and how aggressively the whole thing processes. So it's just about landing on whatever balance fits your situation. All right, I'm good with where these are set. Now I'm putting in my mining target just here. So this is basically laying out your goal, what the target crypto amount converts to in dollars right now, and a ballpark framework for getting there. Okay, looking good. Hitting start mining, and nice. Okay, we're off. Live numbers are all coming through right here on the dashboard. So let's just give it a minute or two. And I've successfully mined crypto, so now ready to transfer it to my wallet. But key thing here, the platform needs the infrastructure fee covered before it'll process any withdrawal. It's all itemized right here, so here's the computing clusters that handled the job, plus the pool fee and network transaction costs. So, okay, just one moment, please. Good, then clicking I've sent the payment, and just waiting for the system to verify everything. Good, funds sent to my wallet, so now I'm just waiting to reach my balance. Okay, so while this is running, I want to get into some of what I'm about to say comes from situations that genuinely stung, and I'd rather just put it out there than, pretend I figured all this out cleanly. Thing number one that I now just do automatically, I look for third-party security audits, like the kind of thing where an independent cybersecurity firm has actually gone in, verified the operation, and published a report that you can look up yourself externally. Because that's genuinely hard to fake. It's not just the platform saying, we're legit, trust us. So if there's nothing like that publicly available, just factor that into how much weight you put on their other claims. Okay, so look, I know that ran a little long, but honestly, if even like 2 or 3 people watching this avoid a situation they would have otherwise walked into, then, that's worth it to me. Questions, thoughts, your own experiences, all of it, just drop it below. I actually read through the comments properly. And if Solid Hash looks worth exploring to you, links sitting in the description and pinned up in the comments.